Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Data Vidhyalaya. I am Suresh Reddy Nasi. So in the previous video, we have seen about the Boolean data type. So in this video, we'll be going through the important concept called the operators, Python operators. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and please click on the like button and comment if you have any queries or questions and all, and share this channel or the video to whoever is required wanted to learn this Python for beginners channel and all, playlist and all. Okay, yeah, we'll get into that. So today's agenda is mostly on the Python operators. Like we have different types of operators in Python. Like one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So we'll be going through all these operators along with the examples, and you can get in, you can start practicing those operators. Okay, and these without these operators, like you cannot build any calculations or you cannot create any of the simple program and all. Okay, so please be careful when you are learning these operators. Okay, now get into that practical explanation of these operators. Okay. So in Python, we have divided these operators into the following groups, like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, that we have seen now, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So first we'll get into the arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators, mostly we use these arithmetic operations for the mathematical calculations, like plus, minus, into, slash, division, modulus, exponential, and as well as the floor division. Okay, so first thing is that when we assign the value, we will see each calculation one by one. As you know it fundamentally, like these are the minimum mathematical calculations that we will be going through in each of the daily life, and we all learn it from the class second or third onwards. Okay, so first we are assigning the variable 10, value 10 to the variable x and 5 to the variable y. So x plus 5, 10 plus 5 will be 15, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 10 into 5 is equal to 50, 10 by 5 is equal to 2, 10 divided by, uh, sorry, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, 10 modulus of 5 will be 0 as the remainder, and 10 into of 5 will be like, it will be around 1 lakh. Why? Because into 10 zeros, 5 zeros, 10 to the power of 5, 5 zeros, like almost like 1 lakh. And floor division is like same division only, it's like floor division, like without removing that decimal and all, it will be 2. So that's how we'll be adding these calculations. Okay, if you want, we can run this. So whenever you need to do these arithmetic operations, like we'll be having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and as well as the floor division. Okay, and coming to the next type of operators is the arithmetic assignment operators. So assignment operator is nothing but we are assigning the value and doing the arithmetic operations. Okay, so for example, we for example, we have seen from the starting of these videos and all, like we are assigning the value to a variable. So that is like x is equal to 5. That is the assignment that we are giving to the variable x. Okay, and the next one is like we are doing the addition and then assigning. So x plus is equal to 5. That we will see like x is, which means that x is equal to x plus 5. Okay, same subtracts. We are subtracting the 5 from the value x. X is nothing but the variable where it contains the value. So x is equal to x minus 5. The same way multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, exponential, and there are certain operators called bitwise operators that we will be going through the next operators, like bitwise operators. We in bitwise, like we have and, or, xor, and the right shift and left shift and assign. Okay, so we will be seeing that operators. So here we will be seeing the detail how we will implement that. For example, x we are assigning the value of 10, okay, to the value to the variable x, okay. X plus is equal to 5 means like x is equal to x plus 5. I said no, x plus is equal to 5 in the sense like x is equal to x plus 5. So what is the value of x? 10. 10 plus 5, 15. That 15 will be assigned to x. The same way, x minus is equal to 5. So x value is 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 x is assigned to 5. So that's how you see the result. That's how you see the result. Okay. Uh, Here x is equal to 10. Let us assume x is equal to 10. 10 into 5, 50. 50 x is equal to 50. So as it is based on the calculation of x and all, no, it will be like that. The same way x divided by is equal to 5. Means like x is equal to x divided by 5. Means like 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So x is will become 2. The same way modulus, okay, and floor division, and this one will be the exponential, and the same way this one is like and or XOR. This you will be understanding when we are giving the bitwise operators, okay. So when we run this, yeah, the same way it's 15, 10, 3 and all the same way it will come, okay. So the next type of operators is nothing but the comparison operators. This will be used when you are using the conditions or using in the loops and all. No, majorly in the conditional statements, control flow statements and all, we will be using this comparison operators. So if you wanted to compare that x is equal to y, for example, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10. 5 is equal to 10, then it will become the boolean output value, which is like false. The same way, not equal to, not exclamatory mark is equal to y, okay. X greater than y means like if the x value is greater than y also, that then we can give that like x greater than y. X less than y, if it is less than y, then x less than y. The same way, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are just the six of the comparison operators, okay. See, for example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. So 5, 10, 10 is not is equal to 5, then it is like false. Not equal to y, then it will become true. 10 greater than 5, obviously it's true. 10 less than 5, false. 10 greater than or is equal to 5, yes, it is greater than 5, then obviously true. Here less than is equal to false. See, okay. So these are the set of comparison operators we have, like is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than. Okay. Now coming to the logical operators. So logical operators, I told you, no, when two conditions are true, then only it will be, and value will be true. When either condition is true, then it will be true. When when there is a false output, then obviously not means true, okay. See, for example, x is equal to 10, okay. X is equal to 10. 10 greater than 5, true. 10 less than 15, true. If both are true, then and operator will become true only. If either for example 10 less than, let us assume that it will be 8, then 10 less than is false, then one failed, no, obviously it will be false, okay. See, first one will be false, okay. If it is less than 15, it will be true. Why? Because both the conditions are true. Whenever the both conditions are true, what are these greater than, less than? It's the comparison operators. What is the output of the comparison operators? It will be true or false. When both are true, true and true will become true, true and false will become false, false and true will become false, okay. False and false will become true, okay. That's the and operator, okay. Sorry, and logical operator. For example, 10 less greater than 5, which is like a true. 10 less than 4, it's false. Or it's like either of the statement has to be true, either one condition it has to be met. Okay, so here 10 greater than 5 is true, no, that's why the output will be true. Okay, if the not, for example, x greater than 5 is true, x less than 10 less than 15 is also true. Here both output of true and true is true. Not true, not means like if it is true, false. If it is false, it will be true. Okay, that's the three logical operators we have: and, or, not. And both the conditions has to be true. No, or either of the conditions has to be true. Not, if it is true, it will be false. If it is false, it will be true. Okay, that's the logical operators we have. Okay, we have the bitwise operators, which will be an extension of this. Okay, we will see that. Next one will be the identity operators. Here identity operators are two operators only: is not. Okay, if it is x is 15, y is z is, yeah, instead of, we'll see, returns true if both variables are on the same object. Returns true if both variables are not on the same object. So we will make it as like very simple. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 15. Okay, so let us assume that x is z. Okay, x is z. What is the x value? 10. We are assigning the 10 to z. So then z is also will be 10. So 10 is equal to true. Okay, x is y. What is the x value? 10. What is y value? 15. So then obviously it will become x is y false. X is equal to y. It will also become false. See, okay, x is not y, not y in the sense like it is not true. For example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15. 10 is not equal to 15, no, then that's why it will become false. Second one, you observe second one, yeah, it will become true. Why? Because it's not only, no, it's not 10 is not 15, no, that's why it will become true. For example, x is not z, it will become false. See, false. Okay, so these are the very simple operators, and we two identity operators, is or is not. Mostly we will be using is only, is not and all. So it depends on that. Mostly we will be using the this one assignment operators or the comparison operators only. Is equal to the one we are using, no, assignment operator, comparison operator, x is equal to y. But we need to remember this. We can also use is and is not also. Okay. So next operator is the membership operator. So this will come when you learn the list Python data structures, built-in data structures, in and in not. So we will just go through the what is there in the in and in not in. Okay. So membership operator is to set check test if that sequence is present in an object. For example, if that particular value is present in that list or not. For example, X is contains the values of apple and banana. It's a list data structure. So we are storing apple and banana in it. Okay. Print banana in X. Obviously it will be true. Why? Because banana is there, no, value is there in the X value. Whereas pineapple not in X, it will also be true. Why? Because pineapple is not in apple, banana. Only two are there. Pineapple is not there. That's why it will also become true. Okay. For example, here instead of pineapple, banana, then obviously it will become false. Okay, true, false. Banana in X, yes. Banana not in X, then it will become false. Whereas if pineapple, it will become true. Okay, that's the other one. Okay. So now coming to the last set of operators is the bitwise operators. So bitwise operators, we have like and, so and, or, XOR, not, zero field left shift, right shift. Okay, So first point, like how the computers understand is that are used to compare the binary number. Mostly it understands the binary numbers. Okay. So how the binary number comparison, like for example, here we are taking the number of a is equal to 60. So 60 we are making it is like 0 0. First you need to draft all this like 1 2 3 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 and 128. Okay, so if it is 60, like for example 0 1 as 0, 2 as 0, 4 as 1, 8 as 1, 16 as 1, 32 as 1. For example 32 plus 16 what? 48. 48 plus 8 56. 56 plus 4 60. So whatever, wherever the when we add these terms, it will become that particular value. Then only we need to add the ones there. Okay, that's how you need to convert that into binary number format. Okay, it's hexadecimal format or whatever the format you know. So whenever you wanted to convert that numerical numbers to the binary format, you need to add this. Okay, till 9 you can add till 0 8 4 to 8. If you wanted to above values, like you need to add this. Okay, there is a we call this as a ASCII numbers, like where we need to add this a to 0 to 255 and all. That's how we will be doing that. Okay, you can go through this ASCII value creations and all, or binary number conversion and all, hexadecimal number format and all. You can go through that. So here we'll be converting that in. So in bitwise operators, everything has to be converted into binary numbers. Then only we'll be doing the calculation. Okay. So here, simple logic you can understand. And or XOR. Okay, not in, you have seen in the logical operators of and, or, and not. Okay, so first thing we'll go through the and operator. In the mind, you can keep the simple logic. And is nothing but into. Okay, or is nothing but plus addition. Not anyway, you know. Now we'll see that 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. So now keep this binary format in the table in this binary conversion. 0 0 0 0, 1 1 0 0. So these four are zeros. Here 1 1 0 0. Okay, so 8 plus 4 12. So that's the. Okay, that's about and. The same way or is nothing but the plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1, even though it is 2, we can make it as like 1 only. 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So keep the same format. Okay, 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Here 1 is there, no? So 61 is the output. Okay, the same way with respect to the operators. Okay, which is the XOR. XOR is nothing but if it is 0 1, it will become 1. Both zeros will become 0. Means like if there are same, no, like if it is like 1 1, it will become 0. 1 1 0. If both 0 0, then it will become 0. If both are same, it will become 0. Else 1. That's it, simple. Okay, here see 0 and 1, 0 1 will become 1. Why? Because 0 is different, 1 is different. In the next 0 0, obviously it will become 0. Here 1 1 similar, 1 1 similar, then it will become 0. 1 1 similar, 0. 1 0 different, 1. Simple. Wherever it is different, no, then there only will need to keep 1. If it is same, 0. Okay, that's it. That's it. So then what is the output of that? 0 0 1 1 1 1, 32 plus 16 16 48. Last one, which is 49. That's the output of this. Okay, so next one is the not. Okay, 0 0 1, 0 into 1 0, what is of not 0? 1. 0, 0, 0. Not 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Not 1, which is 0. That's how we need to make that. Okay. This is no, opposite of that. That's how it becomes that minus 61. So here next thing is that left shift and right shift. Okay. A. If it is not A now, so here see 0, 0. A 6 0, 0, this one is that one, no? So 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. So that's how we need to make it like opposite of that. Okay. So then what will be the value? 128 plus 64 and then 0 1 2 plus 1 3. So it becomes that format. Okay, we can do that calculation. Next thing is that a less than equal to 2, less than 2, which is like left shift. A, what is A? 6 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. If we left shift that, so these two zeros will come to the right hand side. So all four ones will become four ones and four zeros. So that's how it will become 241. Okay. Right shift is similar to that. These two ones will become like this and the other zeros will come to the left. That's how 15 will come. Okay. That's about the bitwise operators. So we have and, or, XOR, not, left shift and right shift. Okay. If you go on Google search that regarding these bitwise operators, you can understand that how we can convert that and all. But basically this is the understanding of that. Mostly in the real scenarios you'll be going through the and, or, not, and XOR also sometimes, but mostly these are the operators that we have. Okay. So majorly focus on the arithmetic assignment operators, comparison, arithmetic operators, plus minus, into, division, and modulus, exponential and all, floor division and all. In the assignment operators is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, all the assignment you can do that. Comparison operators we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And in the logical operators we have and, or, not. And identity operators is, not, membership in, not in. And bitwise operators is like and, or, not, XOR, and left shift and right shift. Okay. So these are the basic operators that we have. So when you are writing in the program, these operators are very important when you are using this comparisons. If you wanted to go forward and all. Okay. So that's all about the operators and all. If you have any queries, you can ping in the group. Okay. And we can check the other next topic in we will enter into the Python data structures and all. And if you have any queries, please comment the channel, and we will see the responses and all. Okay. So till then, happy learning and practice well. Until and unless if you are not practicing, you will not get it. Okay. Till then, thank you.